Classminds Spellathon Season 2 Entry Level Round 1. Participant number CMS 21A10184. Let's begin.
Nandakumar, are you ready to spell your first word?
Yes.
Let's begin.
Your first word to spell is lavender.
Lavender. Lavender. Lavender.
That is correct.
Your next word to spell is cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
That is correct.
Your next word is bandicoot.
Can you repeat?
The word is bandicoot.
Bandicoot. Bandicoot. Bandicoot.
Good try. Unfortunately, that is incorrect, but you were very close. The correct spelling for bandicoot is B-A-N-D-I-C-O-O-T, bandicoot.
Your next word is amphibious.
Amphibious. Amphibious. Amphibious.
That is correct.
Your next word is evaporation.
Evaporation. Evaporation. Evaporation.
That is correct.
Your next word is chemistry.
Chemistry. Chemistry. Chemistry.
That is correct.
Your next word is decibel.
Decibel. Decibel. Decibel.
That is correct.
Your next word is diffusion.
Diffusion. Diffusion. Diffusion.
That is correct.
Your next word is acoustic.
Acoustic. Acoustic. Acoustic.
That is correct.
Your next word is irritable.
Irritable. Irritable. Irritable.
That is correct. So great job, Nandakumar. You have scored a total of 9 out of 10 in level 1 of the competition. Good job.
Good job.